How to cancel Fortnite Crew subscription. Hey there, Fortnite fans. If you're looking to cancel your Fortnite Crew subscription, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to stop your subscription. Whether you're on a console, PC, or a mobile device, let's jump right in. If you're using a console like PlayStation, Xbox, or Switch, head to the platform store or account management settings and look for your subscriptions or membership section. Locate Fortnite Crew and select the option to cancel and make sure to follow through with any prompts to confirm your cancellation. On PC, however, the process is just as straightforward. Open the Epic Games launcher and go to your account settings, and under the subscription section, find Fortnite Crew and hit cancel subscription. You may need to confirm this action, so keep an eye out on any confirmation prompts. For those of you on mobile, whether it's through the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, head to your subscription management section, find Fortnite Crew in your list of active subscriptions, and select cancel. Follow the prompts to confirm and you're all set. But remember, canceling this subscription will keep your benefits active until the end of the current billing period, so you'll still have access to all the perks until then. And that's it. Canceling your Fortnite Crew subscription is a breeze, regardless of the platform you're on. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and see you in the next video.